Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a demonstration of GitHub Copilot. There is a problem with the code. Let me show you what the problem with the code is, and then we'll debug it together. Open with live server, opens, and you'll see that it does work. There should be a drop down, it doesn't work. So I know where the error is, and I'm sure if you look at it, you'll see it as well. I'm missing a comma after this array. But when I select all, and then I tell GitHub Copilot find the missing comma, then even though I've selected all of the text, it can't help me, which is bad. That's really one of the key things that every developer has encountered is missing comma or semicolon or whatever code you're using. But anyway, the missing comma is fairly obvious. So I'm going to select the text again, because here is the missing comma at 4644. And now I'm going to say find the missing comma. And now it's going to be missing comma. Here's the corrected code, but it doesn't even include the bracket here. So this GitHub Copilot fails at one of the most incredibly important and annoying parts of programming, is that if you forget a comma, your code, at least your HTML, will not work. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate again. It's already running. Yeah, it's already running. I refresh it. Still doesn't work. Now let's add the missing comma manually. And I believe that should get the code working. Now I have to save it. Save. And now we are in business. Okay. Thanks for watching. And GitHub Copilot can't even find a missing comma. Thanks for watching. Happy computing.